Welcome back to our series on minimalism. The benefits of minimalism have been astonishing, and it's been an inspiring journey towards embracing the idea of knowing enough for happiness. Isn't it empowering to recognize our capacity to mold our lives through purposeful habits and intentions? As we embrace the dawn of a new year, let's seize it as a chance to review our objectives and pledge to make steady advancements daily toward the life we aspire to live. In line with the insights of James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, each decision we make serves as a ballot for the individual we strive to become. No matter what kind of change we strive for, whether it's in our finances, physical health, career, or mental well-being, we need to acknowledge the powerful influence that small adjustments can wield. It's frequently these subtle alterations that produce the most remarkable outcomes. The following minor tweaks will bring about significant positive changes in your life. One method I've found exceptionally effective for forming new habits is habit stacking, a strategy that entails integrating a new habit into an established routine. By aligning with activities we already consistently engage in, we enhance the probability of sustaining these habits for the long haul. Take, for example, my struggle with inconsistency in maintaining a journaling routine until I started pairing it with my morning coffee ritual. Given my habitual enjoyment of coffee on the balcony each morning, I now utilize that time for journaling and reflecting on gratitude. Through this method of leveraging existing habits, I've discovered it's easier to incorporate new behaviors into my daily life until they seamlessly become part of my routine. Upon introspection into what genuinely fosters enduring fulfillment, I've discerned that material possessions often yield only transient joy. Conversely, experiences and memories possess the capacity to enrich our lives indefinitely. Acknowledging that many of us, myself included, already possess an excess of material goods, I've redirected my attention towards investing in meaningful experiences shared with loved ones. Ultimately, life is shaped by the depth of our experiences rather than the accumulation of possessions. In her book, The 5-Second Rule, Mel Robbins explores the concept that many of the hurdles we face in life arise from the delay between conceiving an idea and taking action on it. She proposes a straightforward yet potent technique, counting backward from 5 to 1. This counting technique aids in honing our concentration on the current objective, steering our attention away from worries, doubts, or fears. Upon reaching 1, it signals the moment to act. I find this method both simple and impactful, whether it's employing it to motivate myself in the morning, to reset my mindset before exiting a room, or to propel myself out for a run despite facing resistance. Occasionally, disconnecting from our internal dialogue and emotions can facilitate tackling tasks with greater efficiency. We don't require a handful of individuals aiming for flawless zero waste. Rather, we need millions of people making imperfect strides toward it. This ethos also applies to embracing a more plant-based diet, which is why I've chosen to restrict meat and fish consumption to weekends only, embracing the flexitarian approach. Initially, I foresaw obstacles, but I've surprisingly found delight in exploring new recipes, modifying my beloved dishes with vegetarian alternatives, and expanding my understanding of nutrition along the path. Furthermore, this shift in lifestyle has notably diminished our grocery costs, which is a pleasant added benefit. Investing in a set of silk pillowcases is a great idea. Silk pillowcases are said to enhance skin and hair hydration, prevent morning hair frizz, and, combined with blackout curtains, establishing a nightly routine or creating a tech-free sanctuary in the bedroom, prioritize quality sleep, which affects every aspect of our lives. The most important relationship we develop is the one with ourselves, but often we are unfamiliar with our true selves. While taking a personality test can be an enjoyable starting point, it only provides superficial insights. A more effective method is to actively engage in life's experiences. By embracing activities that lie beyond our comfort zone, engaging with diverse groups of people, exploring new cuisines, and confronting our fears, We initiate a voyage of self-discovery. Life offers countless chances for us to gain deeper insights into ourselves. Hence, it's crucial to embrace these challenges and enhance our self-awareness. By doing so, we unlock a sense of empowerment akin to possessing superpowers. Don't allow societal expectations and other people's perceptions to dictate your decisions. Ultimately, you're the one living your life, not them. So, why should their opinions hold more sway than your own? Whenever you encounter a decision, you prioritize your own happiness. Do you opt to sacrifice your time for extra money through overtime, or do you prefer to spend it cherishing moments with your interests? Would you rather devote Friday evenings to networking over expensive drinks or indulge in solitude with a captivating novel? The answer has become much clearer to you now. You choose the path that brings you genuine joy and fulfillment. Over time, my relationship with social media has undergone a significant transformation. Today, I primarily use platforms such as Pinterest and Instagram as my personal vision board, a space for dreaming. My approach involves unfollowing accounts that no longer add value to my online experience. Instead, I carefully curate my feed with content that aligns with my interests, whether it's coffee art, homesteading, nature photography, or any other subject that inspires me. Do you have a desire to pursue something meaningful, such as writing a book, making a significant life change, or venturing into a new career path? What's stopping you from taking that leap? Perhaps it's your own uncertainty that's causing hesitation and delaying your plans. You find yourself plagued by questions. What if it doesn't work out? What if I make a fool of myself? What if this isn't the right direction for me? These doubts hold you back before you even start. However, it's essential to recognize life comes with no guarantees. So why not embrace the uncertainty and seize the opportunity? Even if things don't unfold as expected, we possess the ability to adjust and grow through the journey. Don't let the fear of the unknown deter you from chasing your dreams. Instead, take that leap of faith and pursue them wholeheartedly. I firmly believe in the importance of setting both goals and intentions to sculpt the life we aspire to live. Goals provide tangible, measurable targets, while intentions are rooted in our values and strive to evoke lasting, transformative shifts. This year, my intention is to nurture a growth mindset in every facet of my life, to cultivate mindfulness, to trust my intuition more, and to actively challenge limiting beliefs. It's crucial to authentically commit to your choices, whether that means saying yes or no. I trust you found today's video enjoyable. Feel free to share in the comments below the changes you're dedicated to making this year. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards simplification. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into living minimally and mindfully.